Here's how to send normal pictures as snaps on Snapchat in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Snapchat normally sends photos from your camera as snaps, but you can also send normal photos from your gallery as real snaps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're on the camera screen. This is the main Snapchat screen. Tap the small photo icon next to the capture button. This opens your camera roll. Choose any photo from your gallery that you want to send as a snap. Now edit the photo just like a normal snap. Add text, stickers, filters, or drawings. Tap the send button. Choose a friend and send it normally. It will appear as a snap, not a chat image. To make it look more natural, add a filter or sticker before sending. You can also open Memories, select a photo, tap Send, and send it as a snap. And that's it. That's how you send normal pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Subscribe for more Snapchat tips.